This is our new multi-gauge track from Miniature Railway Workshop, which has been designed and made by us. This is a continuation of our existing range of 7¼ gauge track, but this incorporates a 5-inch rail as well. This has been developed after popular customer demand. We were asked to make some of this for a customer and decided it was so good we'd add it to our product range. So yeah, it uses 3 rails. The outer 2 are 7¼ then the inner one then forms your 5-inch. It joins up directly to our existing range of 7¼ gauge track, so you can connect these to the points, buffers, whatever you like. It's the same length, so it's easy to handle, it's quite lightweight, but it's also very strong, so it's capable of taking the weight of quite heavy locomotives. So it connects up really easily, just the same as our normal track, and you can see it gives you a really firm joint which works well. It's got a good solid bit of structure going across there, and you can see everything's lining up nice and tight. You can use a locking bar if you want to. So yeah, we're really pleased with this, and it's available for purchase at the moment. We're making this right here in the UK, and yeah, if you want any more information, drop us a message. There's plenty more information on the website, and it can be bought through the website, or just drop us a message and we're happy to help you however we can. So yeah,